Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Dr. Martin Luther King. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our drawing of Martin Luther King, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here, and let's begin by making a nice big smiley face shape. Next, starting up here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down a little bit, and then we're going to come back up and down. On the sides here, let's make a little half circle on each side for the ears. Then right across here, let's make a little line that's just going to go up and down for the hair. Starting here, let's make a circle for one eye, and then we'll make another circle for the other eye. Then we'll color in a pupil inside each one. Starting here, let's make a little curve for the nose. And then let's make a curve for the mouth. And then a line that's going to go up and down. Let's make a curve for the tongue and a little line across, and we'll just color in a little bit in the mouth. Let's draw a little line that goes right across the top of the mouth, and we'll color that in for his mustache. Let's make a line right up here that we're going to color in for an eyebrow. And then we'll do the same thing here. Let's make a line up here that we're going to color in for the eyebrow. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come down, and then a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to make another line here, and another line here. Now, starting here, let's go up and then down with a triangle shape. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and up, and then two lines down for a shirt and tie. Then let's go out and in, and then out and in, and then out for a shirt. Next, let's draw a line across here for a podium. Then we're going to make a line that goes down, over, and then up. Let's make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over, and then back up for the rest of the podium. Right here, let's make a little curve for the hand. And then we're going to make a line that comes up here. And then over here, let's go up, down, and then bring it back over here for the other arm. Let's make a little curve here. And then let's make a little bump here. Then we're going to make one and two little bumps, and we're going to curve it here. We'll make one more right here. We're going to make a little line across and a little line across here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a very easy, simple drawing of Martin Luther King. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.